question. I have some friends over for dinner tomorrow and would like a quick and easy to make vegetarian food suggestion, but are still look fancy and tasty enough to make for guests. Listen, it may seem like super cheating, but literally just pasta. It's like a very nice, well-made pasta dish can be very easy and looks absolutely fantastic.
Pasta.
And just like add like a side salad and a bit of bread and
Yeah. That's going to be one of the easiest things. Eggplant parm. Eggplant parm is easy as hell.
Strong move.
yep. Depending on sort of the tone you're going for, something like a vegetarian chili or like a lot of curries are pretty easy as well.
Vegetarian chilies are bean heavy though. So long as they're not sleeping over, you should be all right.
They didn't specify.
Can I share a Texas vegetarian favorite?
Ooh, please.
Hamburgers.
Chicken fried portobello mushroom. With a nice gravy over the top, like a jalapeno gravy, nothing better.
And when you say chicken fried in the manner of chicken.
Well, yeah, so I guess if you need can vegetarians eat eggs? It's vegans that can't eat animals.
Correct.
Yes.
So yeah, you need like an egg wash and a flour.
But then just a portobello deep fried.
Yep.
That actually sounds really good.
It is really good. Also, put mushrooms in the gravy when you're making it to give it a little umami zing, if you will.
That's just a general vegetarian tip. To get that like umami flavor, mushrooms.